Hi everyone, welcome back. I wanted to show you how I make this hydrating body cream. I was testing out some recipes and formulations, so I'm just going to show you how I make this. If you are having a hard time making lotions and creams, I'm just going to share how I make mine, and I'll also leave a sample recipe for you to check out. So let's jump right in. And if this is your first time stopping by, my name is Esther and I make DIY natural hair and skincare videos, and I also sell natural skincare products on my website. I'll leave the link in the description box as well. So here's a sample of my cream lotion recipe. You are welcome to screenshot this. This is just a general guideline that you can use. You can make changes, you can make adjustments to this recipe, but this is everything you need to make a cream or lotion. So getting started, I'm going to combine all my oils together, my waxes. So making a cream lotion is basically just combining your oils and water liquids together. You want to make sure that you are heating this on low to medium heat. You want to have both containers heating up to about the same temperature. But it's okay if they are within 10 degrees of each other. So your oils, your water, they can be within 10 degrees of each other. That's perfectly fine. Mine here was about 162 degrees Fahrenheit. So I went on and I checked the temperature using my temperature gun, and it was about 162, I believe. And then I'm going to combine my water liquids to my oils, and you want to make sure the temperature is right. And then I'm using my stick blender to mix everything all in. You want to mix for at least 2 minutes up to 3 minutes. You want to take your time to do this so that way your oils don't separate from your water. So this is very important, so take your time, mix it very well. So once you mix your lotion cream together, it's still going to be runny, but give it 10 to 15 minutes and it's going to start thickening up. I let my mixture cool for about 10 to 15 minutes before I added in my preservative and my fragrance, my vitamin E oil. So depending on how thick of a consistency you want, you will adjust your emulsifier, you will adjust your thickener. So just look at your supplier website. It usually gives the usage rates for those ingredients. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just giving it a final mix after adding in my preservative, fragrance and vitamin E oil. So after about 20 minutes, my cream had thickened up some more, and this is what the consistency was looking like. So just play around with the recipe. It really depends on what consistency you are going for, but changes you can make will be to the emulsifier and to the thickener for this recipe. If you want a lotion type recipe that you can use from a pump, then use less emulsifying wax and less thickener. But this is what it's looking like so far. I also forgot to mention, don't forget to check your pH of your cream or lotion before you add your preservative. I did not have the clip showing where I did that, but I'm just going to put this in some containers. This is a recipe that I am testing out, so I'm just going to package this up. So once again, play around with the recipe. I get asked so many questions. I have several lotion recipes, and I will leave that in the description box if you want to check that out. But I just wanted to share some tips and tricks. Hopefully you found this helpful and useful. So just play around with the recipe that I provided, and I also will leave the registration link for the next making skincare class. That is September 26th. The link will be in the description box as well. Please go on and subscribe if you've not yet subscribed. Like this video as always, share this video, turn on your notifications so you don't miss any videos that I upload, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.